If you're in a country that doesn't support Shopify payments like me, then this new information could be a game changer for you. Shopify Payments is great because of its inline card processing, where customers don't have to leave your store to pay using their credit or debit card. Meanwhile, we've been stuck with PayPal Express Checkout, which redirects customers to a new window. On top of that, many buyers either don't use PayPal or don't realize they can pay using their credit or debit card through PayPal, mainly because there are just too many steps. And before you know it, the sale is gone. So, imagine my excitement when I found out that we can now have an inline card processing with PayPal that works just like the Shopify payment. Here's an example of how it looks on my store. Before, I only had this option, which redirects customers to PayPal. But now, we also have this. It's powered by PayPal, and customers no longer need to log in or get redirected to another window. Another great thing is that payments go directly into your PayPal account instantly, unlike Shopify Payments where you still have to wait for payouts. Now let me show you how to add this to your Shopify store. In the description box below, I've linked PayPal's credit and debit card plugin for Shopify. I can guarantee that this is legit. The app was developed by PayPal, and I also confirmed this with a PayPal representative. Once installed, all you need to do is connect your PayPal account by logging in. Now, let's check the store to see if it works. As you can see, we now have a credit card option powered by PayPal. However, I recommend changing this label to credit or debit card for clarity. To do that, let's go back to your Shopify theme dashboard. Click the three dots, then select Edit Default Theme Content. Next, search for credit card. Under Checkout and Payment Gateway, you'll find the label. Replace it with credit or debit card. Then go back to your checkout page. As you can see, it's now updated and it looks much better. Finally, we now have a seamless payment option that works just like the Shopify payments. If you're also curious about which payment method your customers used, just check the order details. Under the payment section, you'll see that they paid using a credit card, via credit and debit card by PayPal. This just shows that the plugin really works and that customers are actually using it aside from the express checkout. So thank you PayPal for this update. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing as it really helps support the channel and allows me to create more tutorials and content for you.